So welcome back to another video of Drawing with Becca. Today I'm just gonna be showing you my Rong Rong and冰墩墩. So here they are. They look pretty cute. And I actually don't know how to open this. Wait, there's like a piece of tape here. I think I should rip this tape. This tape should connect. Oh, that's how you open it. Oh. Look how cute this is. Wait, am I supposed to use the big keychain or the small keychain? I guess I'm gonna use the... Wait, I think I should use the small one. Ooh. That's better. Look how cute it is. Okay, so then it's time for the冰墩墩. So, I think we still... Oh. Okay, stick this here. And... And then on the back of it, it says冰墩墩, and same for this, but then this says 雪容融. Okay, so then I'm gonna put the small one in the冰墩墩. Let's go back. Look how cute they are. And as you can see, the pig is still here. Like this person. Okay, so this is the end of the video, and I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you next time.